Located in the western part of the archipelago, Isabela is larger than all of the rest of the islands combined. Comprising 6 volcanoes, the island is about 75 miles long and covers about 1,700 square miles. Its highest point on Wolf Volcano rises 5,600 feet above sea level. 5 of the 6 volcanoes are still active, making it one of the most volcanically active places on Earth. Of the 2,200 people who live on Isabela, the majority live on the southeastern edge in Puerto Villamil. Isabela's rich animal, bird, and marine life is beyond compare. Isabela is home to more wild tortoises than all the other islands. Isabela's large size and notable topography created barriers for the slow-moving tortoises, causing several different subspecies of tortoise to develop.
Oh my god, it's a big camera. That's a huge camera.
The big ones already passed the other side. Now it's sleeping probably.
We saw a lot on
Yeah.
But a few hours after the eruption, the National Park explained to us all about the Galapagos volcanoes, and we were allowed to come here and we enjoyed the eruption from this point.
Cool. Wow. Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Oh god. Jeez.
Yeah, I took the
So
picture
lava-y.
What did you just say? So lava-y?
It was very hot here. But the trade winds are going to the north side, so all the gases and most of the heat went to
Eduardo, how high is it here?
1,000 meters. Okay. No more.
How high is it from the...
From here to the bottom, 60, 70 meters.
Hmm.
But it's not allowed to walk inside.
I don't think I'd do it even if it was allowed.
And another thing, as I said before, there are many crevices underneath the floor, many tunnels. And through these tunnels the lava reach the surface. But eventually the lava subsides and the tunnels get empty underneath. When these tunnels cannot support the weight on the floor, especially when the eruption is on the floor, the tunnels can collapse and the whole crater collapses with the tunnels.
Oh,
This
cool.
happened, for example, in Fernandina Island, La Cumbre volcano. In 1963, after a eruption in the crater, the floor was too heavy and the crater collapsed 300 meters, and now it's a big and dark hole. And the scientists predict that if the next eruption happen again in this area, we're gonna have a lot of weight also, and this area also will collapse. And in that time, it will be very dangerous to be here observing the next eruption. Just a steam.
Go ahead, stick your hand in.
You can feel it from here.
It's so hot. Ow.
Oh, yeah.
I can't feel it.
Wow.
Ow.
Microwave.
Ow.
Incredible. And you can see there.
Get right in there.
Oh my god.
Let's even get their hand in the deepest.
Are very porous. And once the lava get the magma, the water get the magma, and produce evaporation.
Russ being Russ.
What did you do?
You're just like in front of my camera.
Wow.
Yeah, man. It's hot in these volcanoes.
So, the Pahoehoe lava is a Hawaiian name for a smooth lava because it's very easy to walk in this one. It's not painful lava. And this kind of lava concentrate more temperature, more gases inside, so this is why the lava is so strong. And it's cooling off very slow. But the other here is the AA lava. And the name AA is not a scientist classification, it's just for hurt. Because when you're walking you say ah all the time, especially if you don't have good shoes to walk through the lava.
Looks like it just erupted. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so high. I'm so scared.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Sweet Jesus. Oh, okay.
The Wall of Tears is a 6-kilometer walk from town. A penal colony existed on Isabela from 1944 to 1959, and the Wall of Tears was built by the prisoners to keep them busy. It stands 6 meters high, 3 meters wide, and is approximately 100 meters long. It is a testament to a period of cruelty and torture. Our 11 days in the Galapagos came to an end far too quickly. We met some incredible people and were encaptured by the unique wildlife that roam this great archipelago. On a sad note, we had to say goodbye to Minnie at this point. She had obligations elsewhere and had to fly back to the US. Her smiles and positivity had become an integral part of life on Wakaya and would soon be sorely missed. On another sad note, we had to temporarily say goodbye to Jan, as she tends to get very seasick and did not want to risk doing the huge sea passage ahead of us. We look forward to Jan rejoining us in Tahiti. For now, it is just Gary and I to do a few pre-departure jobs before heading on the longest passage of this trip. It is 3,000 miles and about 21 days from the Galapagos to the Marquesas. So we woke up this morning to a nice surprise. Our stern anchor, the rope part of the road, had somehow broken, and we have no stern anchor right now. It looks like it was stuck up against some coral or something and it cut it. But yeah, so right now we're just freely rotating around as the tide comes in and goes out, and we're coming really close to that buoy right there. So right now Jan and Gary, they went to shore. Jan's taking her flight home, and Gary's trying to find a scuba diver to come out and retrieve the anchor. We dived down, but it's just a little bit too deep, and it's really murky, as you saw in prior videos. So we can't just dive down with snorkel gear and grab it. And now my job is I have to clean off this rope that held our anchor, and it's disgusting. I really wish you could smell it. And as you go deeper, it only gets worse. So that's where we're at. We were planning to leave tomorrow, but I don't know if that's gonna happen now. I feel like this anchor job is going to take up all of today. And we still have a whole list of stuff we have to do before we leave. So yeah, maybe another day in Galapagos.
It gets hotter than a bitch.
Jeez, quick too.
It smells like hell, but it works. So you're cutting and you're melting as you cut. Oh, this is heavy line. Then I like to take the end and just make sure that all the fibers get melted. And we'll whip it too, just because we're going to be thorough today.
The smoke's probably really good to inhale.
Probably not. Okay. And just because we're, hold on to that way, it's going to be hot for a while. Just because we're probably going to use the scrap for something else, we'll go ahead and finish the end of this. We've got the knife out and all. I don't know what the proper name for this is. I call it a hot knife. You see these in stores all the time. Every rigging department has one. It's really funny. I cut through here, and the top part of it, what I just cut through, reconnected itself.
Oh my god.
Let me get the melted part. Nice, that's the one good thing about little dinky line like that, is it can lay into the crevices and the twists in the line.
So right now I'm seizing the end of the anchor road here to the U-bolt, and I'm upside down. That's really difficult, and it's my first time seizing, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, here goes.
Alright, I'm about to do my laundry here at sea. Just filling a tub with some water, and got my Dawn and my sack of clothes. We're still in the Galapagos, so I could probably go ashore and do it, but it's a big hassle to take the water taxi every time. So I'm gonna hand wash them.
So I was washing my clothes and all of a sudden all these huge fish started jumping out over here. And then the swarm of birds saw it and came along. Now there's this huge awesome show of survival. I think the fish are jumping from predators underneath, and then they got all these scavengers on top trying to get them up here. Must be a tough life for prey fish. Nowhere are you safe. Oh my god, there's so many. This all happened in the last 20 seconds. It was quiet before.